Hi, I am Naveen Kambla. I hope you are doing well. If you have tested in making DIY woodworking tools, then you fell into right valley. Find everything you need to make your next project a success. If you want to do more crazy things in creative project, then definitely you should visit my main channel crazyNK. If you are still not subscribed to my main channel, then go to description right now for channel link. I hope you like the way of creating videos. Thank you for supporting my both channel crazyNK and Mr. NK.